everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 136. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Large scale subsidies led to high and unsuspectingly budget deficits, which in turn lead to high inflationary trends. Inflation is the single biggest enemy of the poor. It drills bigger holes in the meager daily budgets of the poor than can be filled by across the board subsidies and their present inefficient delivery mechanism. It is therefore well recognized that subsidies through administered prices which are grossly out of line with the cost of production and procurement is a poor way of serving the needs of the poor. Not only the center but also many state governments belonging to different parties have realized the need for prudent subsidy control for steady economic growth. I would like to emphasize that we are living in a very difficult global economic situation. We have to strengthen our self-reliant economy. We have to show to ourselves and to the world that India can put her physical house in order through deficit reduction. My government's philosophy on subsidies is that they should be limited to those who are poor and needy, whereas others should pay for what they consume. It is for this reason that following yesterday's meeting of the Coordination Committee of the BJP and its allies, the government has decided to roll back the price hike in PDS food grains for below the poverty line consumers. Revision of issue price is both normal and necessary whenever minimum support or procurement prices are increased to help our kisans. It is worth remembering that the Congress and United Front governments too have done this. For example, PDS sugar price was increased twice by the previous government in the same year 1997. It also increased urea price by 10% in 1997. However, PDS issue prices for wheat and rice were not adjusted since 1994, even though procurement prices have been raised sharply, for example, by 66% for wheat. Prolonged failure to adjust issue price was leading to a huge gap between issue price and economic cost, leading to ballooning increases in subsidies. It was previous government which decided on a new formula for PDS issue price which would be 90% 50% of the cost of above the poverty line beneficiaries and 50% for below the poverty line beneficiaries as such. I welcome you to the 48th meeting of the National Development Council. The most important agenda item for today is the consideration of the 9th 5-year plan from 1997 to 2002. The change in government delayed the finalization of the document, though the plan is being implemented according to the outline set by NDC. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.